Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here. How are you doing today? Guys, we have a treat for you today. We have been waiting over a month for my box to show up. That's right, today we are having the FABFITFUN random uncustomized box Triple Crown Battle. And this is with Sue from Reviews with Sue and Laura with Laura Wooten Unboxings. And if you recall, I was crowned, I was crowned the winner. My box won, so this time around, we're going to find out who's going to be crowned this battle round. So y'all hang on tight as I try to get this on my head, okay? And we're going to proceed with this unboxing. I got my box and it was a little bit smaller than my customized box, but I'm sure it's going to have some wonderful items. And guys, if you are not familiar with FABFITFUN, it is a lifestyle box that you receive once a quarter. It is $54.95 a quarter, or you can join for annual at $199.99, something like that. And when you join annually, you get to customize your whole box, and when you are quarterly, you get to customize 4 customizations. But today I have a random box, which means I bought it in the edit sale and they chose it for me. I have no idea what's inside this box. So we're going to open it up and find out if my box is better than Sue's or than Laura's. And your part in this is to let us know, vote which box is the best. You can also rate us 1 to 10, but we really need you all to come back and let us know who you think had the best box. And that is who will be crowned the next time around. And I got to see if I can retain my title and if I can hold my spot as the reigning crowned winner. So let's find out right now. We're going to open this box up. We're going to have a sneaky peek. We always get a little magazine, and that's the inside of their box. And the magazine tells us a little bit of different things that they have going on, like fall travel, packing hacks, find the fall feeling, and the joy of discovery. And there's always information about some of the items that we could have chose in our box. But as I said, today they're going to be choosing it all for me, and we'll find out what they did for me. So this little magazine comes in handy, but that's not what we're here for. We're here for what's in my box. Am I going to win? Is Sue going to win? Is Laura going to win? Let's find out. Let's get the paper out. We got another sneaky peek. All right, guys, here we go. So far, I'm looking in here, and I'm not seeing a lot of duplicates, which means I may be having a complete nice box without any duplicates. Who knows? Let's find out. I don't know the customizations at this point. It's been so long, but I am going to tell you I'm pulling out some dryer balls. These are some organic wool dryer balls, and I don't have any of these, so this ought to be interesting. Let's see what they look like. And as I go through editing, I will put some pricing up in my window screen there, so we will have some pricing. We'll know how much my box ended up being. But these are some wool dryer balls. Kind of funny, they kind of look like little tennis balls. They don't smell like anything, but hey, I've heard that you can put like essential oils on them and it'll help make your clothes smell like that essential oil. Do you know? Can you let me know down in the comments? So there's 3 of these. So I got me some dryer balls. The next item I'm pulling out of here is Fenty Beauty. And this is a stunning lip paint. Woo! And it looks like it's in this unbuttoned color. So let's pop this open and see what it looks like. Ooh, very pretty packaging. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Oh yeah, very lovely. And yep, there's our applicator. Very pretty. And you can see they have their name on there. Maybe you can see I've got too much shiny lights in here. Fenty Beauty. Well, isn't that lovely? So that is some stunning lip paint. Okay, our next item that we're pulling out of here is a detangler. It's Unite, 7 seconds to detangle. Well, that sounds very good. It's a leave-in conditioner. I guess that's all we need to know. It conditions and you leave it in. My next item I'm pulling out of here is Overtime Mask. And this is Summer Fridays is the brand. And let's take a little sneaky peek at this. This might have been in customization number 1. It says Overtime Mask, Summer Fridays, and it's the Overtime Mask, and it says your skin cells work overtime, shedding and renewing themselves. If they can't keep up the pace with your complexion, then you can get a little help with this little clarifying mask. The clarifying mask uses vitamin-packed pumpkin and exfoliating apricot seed power to get dull skin back on track, gently polishing away dead skin cells for a luminous results. All right, there you got it. So that's not a bad product. How about that? My next item is another skincare product, and it's called the Mud Masky. And this here is a vitamin A booster blue clay mask. Wow, I mean, that's kind of silly for them to put 2 masks in the same box. But that's what I got, Mud Masky. And like I said, it's the blue clay. This obviously with clay would be for oily skin, which I do not have. But it says it's pore refining, soothing, firming, tightening, and brightening. So that was number 5. And the last item I have in here is the 3-piece baking set. Oh, good. I didn't get this. This will be nice. I don't bake a whole lot, but I do bake on occasion, so this will be very handy to have. And I like that it says no fuss. That's the kind of baking I like to do. No fuss baking. And I kind of cut that box a little bit, but I am planning on keeping this. It is silicone. Do you set this down in the bottom of your pan? Or if you're baking cookies, do you put cookies on top of it and then they don't stick? Or if you're cooking veggies, you put it down in your pan before you put it in the oven? It'll be interesting to learn how to use this. But this is it. Not quite like a 9x13, but something like that. And then we got silicone spatulas. So I can definitely use those in the kitchen. They will match up with my kitchen, so it works out great for me. So that looks like to be the end of my box. So guys, how did I do? I have no clue what Sue or Laura has gotten. And so you all are going to have to go and watch theirs, and I will too as far as that goes. And we will see who has the best box. But in my box, I got these 3-piece baking set, which I like. And of course, you know, if I didn't mention it, there is a giveaway at the end of this, so don't go away. Stay tuned. We got the wool dryer balls. I got the Summer Fridays pumpkin mask. I got the Mud Masky, and this is a clarifying vitamin A booster blue clay mask. I got the 7-second detangular Unite, and I got this lipstick in this beautiful packaging. Now, what's in the giveaway and what are the rules? And what do y'all think about my box? Please rate my box down in the bottom and go over to Sue and Laura and check out their boxes and let us know who has the best box this time around and who will be crowned. Now, for this giveaway, you have to be 18 years or older. You do have to have an address within the Continental USA. You must be publicly subscribed to Reviews with Sue, Laura Wooten Unboxings, and Miss Jackie Russell. Those 3 you must be subscribed to in order to enter and to win. This will run for 2 weeks, and I don't know the exact dates, so I'll put them up in the screen. But this giveaway will run for 2 weeks, and we will pick a winner and announce the next day. Now, as far as how we choose our winner, we usually use the comment picker so that you know. Also, YouTube or FABFITFUN are not affiliated with this giveaway in any way. And if you are allergic to any of the items that you may receive from me, I'm not responsible. Please do a test on your body. If you know you already may have sensitive skin, then for sure do a test on your body. If it doesn't agree with you, then you can give it away and or throw it away. But like I said, we're not responsible, and this is not a gambling opportunity. It is a random raffle type winning, and the YouTube comment picker will choose the winner of each of our giveaways, and there will be 3 giveaways. Now, what's in my giveaway? Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give this beautiful Fenty Beauty lip paint to one of you, and that's number 1. I'm also going to, out of this box, give you the Mud Masky. This is the Vitamin A Booster Blue Clay Mask. I'm going to throw in this Unite leave-in conditioner, and it will be in the giveaway. And in addition to those 3 items, you will receive a Sponge Jelly Peony Blush. It smells very good. You will be getting some body butter, and this is Bella and Bear's Love Flutter Body Butter. And yeah, it's sealed up, so I can't show it to you, but it's all pink. I don't know if it's got a special scent other than maybe Love Flutter might be the scent. It's a vegan product, so this ought to be a nice little body butter. I love body butters. I just have so many right now. I've got to share some with you guys. So we'll have the body butter. Our last item is going to be the Eau Cherie palette. And guys, this is sealed up, but these are the colors on the back side. So you will receive this eyeshadow palette, and maybe it's Wee Cherie. I think someone finally told me how to pronounce it. Wee Cherie eyeshadow palette. So, and it has some great colors in it. So it's going to be a great palette. You'll have some nice little lipstick there. And again, to recap for the giveaway, you're going to have the Wee Cherie palette, Bella and Bear's body butter, the Peony Blush Sponge Jelly, the Mud Masky with Vitamin A Booster, and then you're going to get this lovely packaged lipstick. Isn't that beautiful? It really is nice packaging. I just would probably not take the time to paint that on. So if that's something that you would like, then you definitely need to enter to win, because it will be in the giveaway. This right here. And then the last item that's going to be in the giveaway is going to be the Unite 7-second Detangle. So, what do you got to do? We want you to come back and tell us who is the winner, who has the best random uncustomized box, and you will need to use a code word. Let's use the word crown, because we got to find out who's going to be wearing this crown next time around. Is it going to be me? Am I going to hold my title, or are we going to have a new title holder? So you all let me know, what was your favorite item? Did you have a favorite item? And I want to thank you all for joining me. I do appreciate all my subscriber friends, and if you are new here, I would ask that you subscribe and be a part of our little family here. We have a great little channel here, and we try to do quite a few different types of unboxings, a little bit of beauty. We do some Mass Monday, and we do several collaborations throughout the year. That is all I have today. Be sure and enter. Be sure and let us know who's the winner, and rate my box 1 to 10. And if you check down in my descriptions, you'll find any current giveaways and our collaborations that may be going on that you can enter and win in those as well. So, as for today, that's all I have, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.